it's me, Carrie. I'm doing a gorgeous eye makeup featuring the Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Berry Diva by Brow Bar by Reema. I'm using the translucent powder in the iconic face kit. I'm starting out with the lighter matte purple eyeshadow. I'm adding some of the darker purple shade in the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm using the shimmery purple color. I'm taking the medium purple shade and going under my eye just on the outer half. Next up, we're adding some highlight under the brow bone and in the inner corner. I'm going to give a pretty dramatic wing today to balance out with the purple color. I'm using the Berry Diva face kit for my contour and also for my blush. Our final step is lashes, all of it brought to you by Brow Bar by Reema.